Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom meeting without host permission on Windows using OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS Studio application on your Windows computer. OBS is a powerful free screen recording tool that captures everything displayed on your monitor, making it perfect for recording Zoom meetings even when the host hasn't granted recording permissions. Once the application launches and you can see the main OBS interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. In the Sources section, click on the plus icon to add a new source. This will open a menu with various capture options available in OBS. From this menu, select Display Capture. This option is crucial because it records your entire screen, which means everything happening in your Zoom meeting will be captured regardless of whether the host has enabled recording permissions or not. After selecting Display Capture, a dialog box will appear asking you to name your source. In the source name field, type something descriptive like Zoom or Zoom recording so you can easily identify it later. Once you've entered your preferred name, click OK to proceed to the next configuration step. Now you'll see another window appear with display settings. Here, navigate to the display option and click on the drop-down menu right beside it. This drop-down shows all the monitors connected to your computer. Select the monitor where your Zoom meeting will be displayed. If you're using a single monitor setup, there will likely be only one option available. After selecting the correct monitor, click OK to confirm your settings. OBS is now configured to capture everything on that screen. With OBS ready to record, go ahead and open your Zoom application and join the meeting you want to record. Make sure the Zoom window is visible on the monitor you selected in OBS earlier. Position the Zoom window however you prefer, whether that's in full screen mode or windowed mode, as OBS will capture it either way. Once you're in the Zoom meeting and everything is set up the way you want it, go back to your OBS Studio application. In the right panel of the OBS interface, you'll see a button labeled Start Recording. Click this button to begin capturing your Zoom meeting. OBS will now record everything happening on your selected display, including all audio and video from the meeting, without requiring any permission from the host. When the meeting ends or you've recorded everything you need, simply go back to OBS Studio and click the Stop Recording button in the same right panel. OBS will automatically save your recording to your designated output folder. You can find this folder by going to File, then Settings, then Output in OBS if you need to locate your recorded file. And that's it! You've successfully recorded a Zoom meeting using OBS Studio without needing host permission. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.